pour juice.
And we have 8 ounces.
8 bagels.
Put it in there.
There. Ooh, yummy! It's good. Take bagel out. Put it in. Cook 5 minutes. Fill a jar. Grease. Put a cup. Now put my straw. Good. Bagel and bagel. Yummy. I put cheese, mommy bagel. Good. Now hope make my Jamba juice. See you next time. Cooking you kind.